Oh no, come get some feet, mafia. You have your woman up there and fitness. You want more food for them?
One man.
Alright. One man up there too.
You just don't go one.
Alright, carry. Go to yeah, Buju Banton, big up yourself, big up. Yo, people, boy, I love what Buju do. No, tell no lie. I love that. Yo, you see when give back to the needy, give back to the one them who want it. You know what I mean? It's a great thing, people. And I love what Buju do, man. And me I go say, yo, respect Gargamel for that. You understand? Because enough people out there never know them first meal I come from tomorrow. And when a man like Buju, you understand, who can reach out to them people. You know, the youth, them man, they feel different than themselves. You understand? They feel, that's why I'm telling the people, enough artists, enough dirty thinking artists you see out there. Zane, enough dirty thinking DJ, enough dirty thinking politician, enough dirty thinking big people out there who have much money. A straight attack for you. Because enough of you out there, you have millions of dollars. You go floss you at the party. You do that. I know say a phone money, but at least sometime, remember where you are coming from. No matter if you're born rich. Because without, when you're born rich, people, and if you have business and them things, that same poor people and money are going there. And some people out there can't afford certain things. Or not even one day not take on a life. If you say, yo, here what? I'm going to give somebody this. The more you give her, the more blessings you get. But know who you give. You understand, people? Because look at that now. A man like Buju Banton just come out of prison. Keep a big show, the biggest show ever keep in Jamaica the other day. And see the couple days time, what I do? Downtown, I give a photo people. No for no thinking artists. Wanna come on board. Yeah, we are keep this sitting there for fundraising. And when they don't keep a show them, the people who no son are down here today, never sooner. Sometimes one are down here, one computer, two computer, after no make much millions off a show. No for uno. You see uno? I tune in on a straight attack for you. No for you, me not bad mind, me not grudge you know. Because sometimes when you come to boom now, see? When you build some big mansion, which me love that. But at least give back. Remember where you are coming from. When you sing about the ghetto, yeah, before. When you start make some money now, when you start sing about the big mansion, the big life, when you even sing back about the ghetto again. Because remember where you come from. Ungrateful. See? Remember where you all coming from. Remember that. Enough artists out there. Me even have to call a name. Enough of uno artists out there. See? And if you're looking on yourself, man, make a change, make a difference. You see me? You know, yo. You see, the more you give people, and the more God bless you and give. But me I tell you that. If you help people out there, you know what I mean, newlink? Me always a give. See, people, me say me always a give. But me not go give, you know. Unless myself desperate and I have nothing, you know, for my family, you know. Me always give for no, so me balance out and me good. You know, understand? So me give me comfortable same way. You get me? Because enough of no artists out there. Don't have much money, daddy. This jack out there see we are make much money. Journalists see we enough big people out there. Rich people. We have so much business people too. See? Because enough of the business people, one argue back. One argue back. We don't give back nothing. Every day people come and spend their money with no one give back. We don't give back nothing, brethren. See? No for uno. I'll China them. Want give back sometime. Me have to ask you no want give back. We don't have much supermarket in the town. We don't give back nothing. We go more when we see like some local people who not sell them product. We come and maybe give one cup of tea or give one cup of taste mouth or something. But we don't give back. We don't need to give back to the poor and needy, man. Give back. It's important. Give kindness, man. Show love from your heart. Love what we want. See? Love for spread. That is the most powerful thing what we need to survive right now is love. Without love, we are nothing. See? We are nothing without love. You see newlink? I love me, say, man. Right now, I love me upon people. See there? Love. Watch out. Love. Look on my face. Love. I pay love you see for me. Even when I'm serious, I love. See? People, love is very important. Love is important. Kindness and the heart. So again, man, I say, big up yourself, Buju Banton, man, and keep it up, my family. You know what I mean? Keep it up. Keep it up. Big up yourself and continue the journey with the pan youth. You go further, my general. You have to go further. Viewers and my subscribers right now, me there. Me easy back and relax. You understand? The early morning, I give you God thanks. Don't know we rise up and think in a piece of rental, I see him here. Don't know tomorrow me I go back for me. Me carry them say tomorrow if it comes. So me miss me be a big people, me miss it. You understand? Me miss. But that's how I go. So me there just relax. Yeah, man. So my people, look more. Peace, love, respect. Big up. Buju BANTON, big up us again, my family. Big up.
Greetings to the world. Thank you. Thank you for making a long walk to freedom and success here in Jamaica. Thank you for coming out from all walks of life. From many countries you have came, and you have blessed my country. And you have come to celebrate in the spirit of unity, reggae music, and homecoming of Buju BANTON. We look forward to seeing you again many more times. We look forward to seeing you again in concert, in life, when we travel along the way, along the road of life. Until then, again I say thank you very much. And I shall see you in the Bahamas. I shall see you in Trinidad. I shall see you in St. Kitts. I shall see you in all these islands and overseas, wherever we're scheduled to appear. We shall appear. Love you. Love reggae music. Jaliv. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.